Everything happens for a reason. Every event affects you, driving you towards the person you could be. The philosopher Aristotle believed that everything that happens to you does so for a reason. Once you accept this, then there is a way of approaching and embracing this fact that can empower your life. Cymatics, the study of visible sound vibration, shows the transformational nature of sound and matter. Sound guides us, it shapes us, and yet is an intangible force. And when you understand that everything in existence is made of the same core ingredient, tiny, vibrating particles of PF energy, you begin to understand why everything in your life is the way it is and how you can implement change. When you hold a high frequency from your vibration particles, your desires can be effortlessly pulled into your orbit. You'll get your dream house, dream job, and your loving relationship you always long for. But when your vibration particles are low, you tend to be stagnant and unable to move forward. How to raise my vibration, you may ask? You have to dig deeper and get into your vibration roots. Cymatics gives validity to the fact that everything that we perceive as hard objects, including our own bodies, are actually continuously vibrating at their own specific rates. By partnering with a sound engineer and using the latest cymatics research, we developed a raising shortcut known as energy orbiting, which works by harnessing sound DNA to shift your brainwaves from an active beta state into one normally achieved only through many long hours of meditation called the theta state. It's like you gain the ability of the Tibetans in only a few short minutes. With our journey guide, you can discover just how powerful you are as a creator. It will help you awaken a long-forgotten part of yourself, turning your desire into an immediate command to the universe. Everybody at some point needs divine guidance when life seems to be at its most challenging. So how again, you may ask? You simply have to push play, match your vibration to your desire, and go to bed. Overnight, the brainwave technology embedded inside our audio relaxes your mind into a theta state and opens the door to the deepest levels of your subconscious in only 8 minutes. The track does all the work. It will raise vibration and stop negative thoughts.